Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Today, we'll run the install wizard on a Freesat 4K set-top box and show you what UK TV channels are active on Freesat today, the 3rd of July 2024. Freesat is a UK-based satellite TV service offering over 150 TV and radio channels, including HD options, without a monthly subscription. Launched in 2008, it provides a wide range of free-to-air content, covering entertainment, news and sports. Users need a compatible satellite dish and receiver to access the service. With the removal by Channel 4 of its music TV channels, 4 Music, The Box, Magic, Kerrang and Kiss, earlier this week, there are now no music TV channels on Freesat, hence why there is a large gap in the channel numbers, from 400 to 600. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.